Let us begin our English class. In this class, we are going to learn a poem. It is a very interesting poem. The name of the poem is The Fly. Have you ever seen a fly? It is a small insect with two wings. Means monkey. It is a poem about a fly. It is a tiny animal and how the world looks through the eyes of the fly. It is a tiny animal and how the world looks through the eyes of a fly, or how the world looks different to a fly. In this poem, the poet talks about the size of the things look small to us are very big to the fly. Means the things which are small to our sight are very big to the fly. जो चीज़ है हम लोगों के लिए स्मॉल होते वह फ्लाई के लिए बड़ी होती होगी. Let us begin the poem. Page number 31. Let us start. How large unto the tiny fly must little things appear. The poet says that the things that appear small to us would appear very big to the little fly. A rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear. How the rosebud look to us? It is a beautiful thing to us. But when the fly sees the rosebud, it feels like a soft bed. Means for the fly, the rosebud is like a soft bed. It's prickle like a spear. Prickle means thorns. Rose plants have some small thorns. Thorns means kate. When the fly sees the thorns, how it feels? It feels like a spear. Spear means a long weapon with a sharp blade. That is spear. The rose plants have thorns. The thorns are very small, but when the fly sees the rose thorn, it feels like a spear. Means a dewdrop like a looking glass. Dewdrops means oske booth or oskan. Dewdrops means small water drops. You can see dewdrops when in the winter season, early morning, you can see the drops of water on the plants and on the leaves. It is very small drops of water. When the fly looks, it feel like a looking glass. Looking glass is mirror. A hair like a golden wire. Hair is a very thin, but for the fly it looks like a golden wire. Golden wire की तरह दिखाई देती है. A smallest grain of mustard seed as fires of a fire. Smallest grain of mustard seed. Mustard seed is a very small seed. Mustard seed means sarso. It is very small seed, but for the fly it is like a burning fire. छोटा सा मस्टर्ड सीड कैसा दिखाई देता होगा? आग का कोयला तरह दिखाई देता है. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill. Loaf of bread means a piece of bread. Lofty hill, lofty means very high or ऊंचा. Hill means पहाड़. A small piece of bread for the fly, it is like a ऊंचा पहाड़. It is like a lofty hill. Means very big ऊंचा hill. ऊंचा पहाड़ जैसे दिखाई होगा. The fly says the bread of peace is very big thing. A wasp, a cruel leopard. Wasp means it is also a small insect like a fly. It looks like a big animal, means leopard. And specks of salt as bright to see. Specks means small pieces. Small pieces of salt looks like a bright thing. As lamb skins to a shepherd. Lamb skin means baby sheep. It looks like a shepherd. Shepherd means a man who looks after sheep. Means the lamb. The baby sheep are small, but when the fly sees it, it means like a man it feels. Now once again, listen the poem. How large unto the tiny fly must little things appear. A rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear. A dewdrop like a looking glass, a hair like a golden wire. The smallest grain of mustard seed as fires coals of fire. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill, a wasp, a cruel leopard, and specks of salt as bright to see as lambs to a shepherd. Did you enjoy the poem? What did you understand from this poem? Yes, the things that appear small to us would appear very big to the little fly. Now, next page, page number 22. Pick the meanings of the underlined words. In each sentence, one word is underlined. You have to pick the meaning of the underlined word. It's prickle like a spear. Options: petal, thorn. Prickle means thorn. You can tick thorn. 2. A dewdrops like a looking glass. Mirror. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill. Underlined word is lofty. What is the meaning of lofty? High. A specks of salt. Specks means small pieces. So tiny pieces. Okay. You have to learn the poem by heart. Okay. Thank you.